up, everyone? How you doing today? We're out here getting it again. A little tiny bit windy today, a little choppy, but it's a gorgeous day. Last weekend, we did a dock and dine at a restaurant called Circles out in Apollo Beach, Florida. So make sure you check out that video. And today, I think we're going to go to, well, we're going to go check out our usual spots, the usual suspects. Shell Key, Bunces, maybe Fort De Soto, not sure yet. We're just going to kind of see what strikes our fancy, right, babe?
That's correct.
We are doing, once again, I have elevated our Mimosa game. So we're going to show you that today too. He'll show you that when we're doing our little Mimosa hour. And yeah, that's about it. You got anything to say?
Yeah, I do. So unfortunately, not unfortunately, we were supposed to be in Grand Cayman today.
Oh, yeah.
But we rescheduled that trip because of the weather. There looked like there was a tropical storm, a Sarah. Possibly we'd be flying into it and then it'd be coming back. But I think everything's gonna be fine, but I just didn't want to be down there and it just be raining the entire time. So we rescheduled that for a different time in the near future. So we will be going out there for that.
That was our 1 year anniversary. We were gonna be celebrating. So
yeah,
we rescheduled it, but we are out here today. Is the 16th. So we have been together 1 whole year.
1 whole year. So what do you guys do for when you celebrate your anniversaries? I'm gonna need some ideas here. So you guys, let me know what you guys do. The 1 year we wanted to go back to Grand Cayman, you know, really where it all happened on the exact same day. But I think maybe in the future we might not. You know, sometimes we've been in Grand Cayman though. It's still kind of hurricane season, can be kind of rainy.
Yeah.
So. But let me know, what do you guys do to celebrate your anniversaries? We're going to be going out to Park Shore. I got that.
One of our favorite restaurants.
One of our favorite restaurants. We're going to do that. I was trying to get a resi over at Burns, but that's a little bit difficult. We'll get to Burns here soon, but for right now, we are going to try Park Shore tomorrow. So that's all I got for right now. So we're going to go ahead and get out before we go up into the mangroves there.
Okay.
The bucket, the champagne bucket. So we got she went to T.A. Mahoney's, bought this part for what?
$24. It's just the table mount thing.
And then how'd you attach it?
It was just an epoxy.
Okay, so we got an epoxy on there.
The Moe!
We got the Moe!
Happy anniversary!
Happy anniversary. Decided to spend a little bit of money today. Happy anniversary. Let's put the bottle there. Get in there. Good bottle. Yeah, we should get some mounts on here. Cool. Whoa! That just slithered off. Whoa, it slithered off there. That was craziness. Cool, let's give that a shot. Whoa!
Was that for real?
Yeah. That was for real.
No, it wasn't.
It was bumpy.
Oh, God. There we go.
There we go. Happy anniversary. Cheers. I like the setup here. Yeah. Nice ice cold. I like that. I do like that setup. But how do you like the Moe?
It's delicious.
$50 versus 15 bucks. So.
Yeah.
All right. So let's just enjoy. We're gonna enjoy this Mimosa hour here, and we're gonna putter on out there, and then we'll see you. We'll see you. We'll be seeing you.
Oh shit! It's really shallow right here.
Slow down. Go neutral. Manatee right there. All right, cool. So you're gonna go slow. We're just gonna go up in there. We're at the Friday spot, aka the cut. We just saw a manatee. I'm out here on the bow. What's our depth?
Ooh, 2.5. I'm dragging.
Just because of this wind and current's gonna push us back in here. Ooh, this is kind of nice, huh? Oh, and Fort De Soto is closed, so we don't have to worry about any people.
No, that's why I came over this way.
Yeah.
Because usually there's people camping over there.
Oh, it's cold, people. All right. Oh, it's nice and quiet right here, people.
It's very quiet. It's pretty.
Yeah, very nice. I like this.
Feels nice. Got a breeze.
So I think that's a big shell right there. Is that a crab? I can't tell if that's a blue crab or not. Maybe not. Because it was like 73.
Just make sure you watch what you're stepping on. I don't need you to get cut and then
I know.
Freaking infection.
Yep. Not like I'd step on anything in the water. Not like
No, you would never do that.
Nope, never do that. So what we got here? All right, he's back over here. Was that a crab? Nah, that's something else. I don't know what that is. But this guy here. Oh, somebody is home.
Ooh,
oh.
Oh, that's a big shell.
Look how big that boy is.
What's up, buddy?
Wow, that is nice. Look at that. So it's like some type of big snail thing.
Cool.
That is cool. I was thinking if nobody was home, I would go ahead and take this.
All right.
Sorry. All right, babe.
Get them in deeper water or something.
Oh yeah, put them out here. Woo-hoo-hoo. It's been a nice day out here on the water. You got your nap in.
Mm-hmm. I was sleeping good.
Yeah. So I was sleeping good too.
It's nice because it's not hot, it's not cold, it's
just nice.
Right.
Just right.
Mm-hmm.
Nice breeze. It's good. So make sure to check out the other video we did last week over at Circles.
Circles. That was a great place. We're gonna go back.
Yeah.
We're gonna check out some more places too. If you have any ideas,
leave a comment. Drop a comment.
Drop it in the comments.
All right. See y'all in the next one.